Hello and welcome to PSY 333, Psychology of Disaster and Climate Change. This is your Fall 2016 course overview video. In this video, we will have a brief overview of the course in general, what you can expect to do, what you can expect to learn about. For more extensive coverage of what we will be doing in this class, please watch the syllabus video, which you can find on the syllabus page in your Blackboard website. Now, first of all, the purpose of this course is to learn more about the psychology of disaster and climate change. A lot of times when we talk about these things, we are talking about the physical sciences of what is actually happening within our natural systems, and specifically with disaster, we're talking about social logistics, and basically what happens within a society as it is impacted and recovering. But there's a lot of psychology that goes into both of these things, both in terms of our psychological impact, our emotions and experiences that happen when we are impacted by these events, but also how we think about these events, how we prepare for them, how we recover from them, how we make decisions about them, both as individuals, as professionals. You all are in college right now. You're going to be moving into professional fields, or perhaps you are already in professional fields, and this course will help you prepare to understand how your field that you are going into overlaps with the psychology of disaster and overlaps with the psychology of climate change, so that you can move these things forward in your lives as professionals and as knowledgeable folks. So the text for this course, we have Climate Changed by Philippe Squarsoni. This is a graphic novel. It covers a lot of the science of climate change, and we will be looking at that book in Module 3, which is about September 26th to October 16th, so make sure you have the book by then. However, for natural hazards, Earth's processes as hazards, disasters, and catastrophes, we are going to be using that text in Module 2, which starts about September 12th, and the deadline is September 25th. So definitely make sure you get this book early into the semester, because we're going to be looking at it in just a couple of weeks. All of the other readings that we're going to have for this course are available on Blackboard, so those are the only things that you'll need to purchase or find in libraries for this course. The pieces of this course in general, we will have 7 different things that you'll be graded on. The first is called Climate Madness. It is a public project that we are going to be doing with all of UMA student body, and the deadlines for this course, or for this project, are going to be throughout the course, about once a month. So definitely keep an eye on the deadlines that are coming up. You'll also have assignments that are attached to this project throughout the course that you will receive about a week before the deadline. So keep up with your email, and it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to get to showcase the heroes and all of the good things that are going on with climate change as a field, so that UMA can learn more about it. Our academic theme this year is climate change, and so any way we can engage the rest of the school is going to be excellent, and this is the fun thing that we're going to do within this class for it. After that, we have 6 different modules. Each module is broken up into different topics that address the psychology of climate change in various ways, or the psychology of disasters in various ways. We're going to start with disasters because disasters overlap with climate change, but we also want to understand these short-term experiences that humans have before we start looking at these much longer, broader experiences that we have with climate change. So each module is going to have a reflection exercise. You'll do your readings, you'll watch the lecture video, you'll do your reflection, answering all of the questions that are posted in the module, and then you'll have an application exercise as well, where you can take this information that you've learned and think about it and how it applies within the real world. So probably what you guys are wondering, how do I get an A in this class? You will. Do all of the work. Do it thoughtfully and do it by the deadline. That's basically it. A lot of people will wonder, what are my expectations for assignments and things like that? Well, I expect you to do it on time. I expect you to put in a good faith effort. I expect you to tell me what you have learned and what you think about. And That's what I expect. So don't psych yourself out thinking that I'm trying to get to one perfect answer. There are lots and lots of different answers to all of the topics that we are going to cover. And I want you to find the answer that works within your body of knowledge, within your field that you're moving into, and based on what you are learning about. So don't try to find that one perfect thing that I expect you to say. Think about it from your own perspective and from what you're learning, and tell me all about it. Let me know what you know. And yeah, work thoughtfully. Give me a good faith effort at all of this. In case you have any problems in this course, if you get lost in a topic, if life happens, because it does sometimes, if you're freaking out about the class for any reason at all whatsoever, come and talk to me. I will help you get through this. I am very willing to meet my students halfway, but put in the effort and we'll get you through this, I promise. Do not wallow in despair. Come and talk to me if anything is going on with this course that you need additional supports for, or whatever. Come and talk to me. We'll figure it out. So I love this field. I love these topics. I could talk about this all day. I have, and I will again. I want you to learn a lot about this field, and I want you to love it as well. So thank you for signing up for this course. I hope you enjoy it a lot. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to talk to you soon.